Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell on Phantom Wallet, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Phantom Wallet. Once you're in, find the cryptocurrency that you want to sell. For this example, I'll be using Solana, but you can follow these steps with any supported cryptocurrency in your Phantom Wallet. Next, click on the Swap button. Keep in mind, you can't directly sell crypto for fiat currency in Phantom Wallet, but what we're going to do is swap it for a stable coin, like USDT. I recommend swapping your crypto for a stable coin like USDT since it tracks the US dollar. If you'd prefer, you could choose USDC, but I'll stick with USDT for this example. In the Pay field, there should be Solana, and in the Get field, there should be USDT. Now, choose the amount you want to sell. You can either enter a specific amount or hit max to sell everything in your wallet. After that, click Review Order to double-check everything. Once you're happy with it, click Swap to proceed. Now, just wait for the transaction to finish processing. It shouldn't take too long, and once it's done, you'll see your USDT balance in your Phantom Wallet. And that's how you sell on Phantom Wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.